Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. Today I'm going to show you how to add a custom location on Instagram. First, go to your Instagram app. Make sure you are logged in your Instagram account. And you will see a plus sign in the bottom middle. You're going to press that and you're going to choose your preferred picture. I am going to choose my dog. Press next. And there's options here. You can add location, tag people, add music. I'm gonna press the add location, and then you're gonna type in here the location that you want. In there, you can write a caption over here. And there, you have successfully added a location in your Instagram post. After that, you can post it now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.